Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the AI image generative platform called Midjourney. So just to start things off, make sure that you have a Discord account and that you have the Discord application downloaded and installed on your computer. Once that's all set up, make sure to go to the midjourney.com homepage and sign up for a Midjourney account and go ahead and join their Discord server. Just follow along the proper steps in order to get your Discord account authorized into the Midjourney server. And once all that is completed, go ahead and look for one of the Newbies Newcomer Rooms text channels. Once you've accessed one of these newbie text channels on the Midjourney server, you're going to notice that there are a ton of different prompts being sent in by a lot of different people. This is exactly how Midjourney uses Discord in order to generate AI images from text prompts on the Discord text box. One of the main ways to generate an image is to type the command /imagine and add in the text prompt you wish to generate after that command. So for example, we're going to type /imagine and give Midjourney the prompt, a cute dog with a lightsaber, realistic version in 4K. The command line --v 5.2 is the command line for the version of the Midjourney model we wish to use to generate the image. Once the image is done generating, if you go ahead and click on it, you can see the 4 variations of the text prompt that we sent to Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is a free AI generative program, but of course, if you want to access all its full features, we have to also add in a subscription to the platform. To do this, go ahead and type in /subscribe on the text channel. This will bring you to a link to the Midjourney website, where it'll show you all the subscription plans available for you as a customer. You have standard plans and basic plans ranging from $10 to $30 a month to pro plans that go from $60 a month and more. Now, if you go back to Discord, you can click on the Midjourney bot account itself and you can see the option to add it to your server. You're not just limited to using the Midjourney Discord server to generate your own AI images. As you can see, you can click on the Midjourney bot profile, click on send a message, and you can even give it the /imagine command with a private conversation with the Midjourney bot itself. This way, you keep most of your prompts private, and you also make sure to never lose track of all the generated images from Midjourney. And of course, you can also click on the Midjourney bot profile again to add it to a server of your choosing, which you own or have administrative rights to. It's really as simple as clicking Add to Server, selecting the server of your choice, and clicking on Authorize. And if we go ahead a bit forward, you can see that Midjourney bot is already here in one of our tutorial Discord servers. This way, you're sure to never lose track of where Midjourney is and where you can input prompts to generate AI images from. One thing to note is that you can also click on the buttons underneath the generated image. For the example of this video, we're going to click on U2, which means it'll upsize picture 2 of the 4 variations of the generated image. And that really is all there is to the basics when beginning with Midjourney. You can use it to generate images from the Midjourney server itself, have a private conversation with the bot, or even add it to your own private Discord server. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video and this kind of content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.